video is not about me. This video is about you, my supporters. I just wanted to come on this morning and say thank you for your support. Thank you for your inspiration. Thank you for your words of encouragement. Thank you for giving me the push to deal with the gray that is in my hair. Thank you for your compliments. Thank you for having my back. I realize that that is so important. It's important for us to stick together, to uplift and encourage each other. And that's what I am going to do. I'm going to uplift and encourage you. And thank you for being a part of my circle. I want to give an extra special shout out and thank you to Flo Davis for the support she's given me, making sure that when she was out, I had the best care for my hair. I want to thank Loretta and Val for what they have done while Flo was out, because I never felt that my hair was in any jeopardy with them. And they treated me with the utmost respect and gave me quality work on these sister locks. Again, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I just want you to know that I really appreciate you. We are all in this together. Have a great day, guys.